Welcome to my first video. This video that I would like to share to you is related to the question of what this number normally we can see in the backside of the car. I will explain to you how this number computed based on the engine performance in terms of engine capacity. Before you continue watching this video, I would like to request you to please click the likes button and subscribes also, and don't forget to click the bell for the notification for my next video. Mostly this number you can see that on the backside of the car, and for your information, this backside of the car we call it trunk lid. So let's say for this example, this is what we call the number is 3.0, and also you can also this number like 3.5, or some vehicle model you can see that at the side of the vehicle, example 3.7, and also some model there is 1.8. Okay, this number represents what we call piston displacement. What is piston displacement? Displacement. Basically, piston displacement, that is the it represents the volume wherein the pistons moves inside the engine from bottom dead center, which is the lower part, and then going to upper part. So the last part that the piston can be moved, or we call it the top dead center. So this is what we call uh, displace, meaning for every movement of the piston from bottom dead center or top dead center, that is what we call a stroke. So the formula for that is it is equal to the distance of the piston's travels times the internal cross section of the cylinder. This is the piston and the stroke representing the movements of the piston from for the picture on the left side. The piston already reaches the bottom dead center, wherein after it is being reached that one, and then again it will be moved going up until he reached the top dead center. So that is now the right side picture or the image. Okay, so the movement of the piston from bottom dead center going to the top dead center, that will be your stroke. So meaning it is going up and down, or the sliding of the piston in the bore. So that will be your stroke. And then an example of calculation is based on the formula of the piston displacement represents this symbol represent what we call pi, which is normally that is 3.1416. So that is pi divided by 4 times bore to the second times stroke times the number of the cylinders. Okay. For the pi, basically, that is actually if you're going to have the the ratio of the circumference and the diameter. So you will get the pi. So that will be 3.1416. Going back now to the calculation. Okay, example, if our bore is 98 millimeter and the stroke is 92 millimeter and the number of cylinder is 8. So as you can see here, so 3.14 divided by 4, that will be 0.79. Okay, then go to 98. So just multiply the 98 to 98. So 98 times 98, that is 9,604 millimeter. And then multiply by 92, which is your stroke, and then the number of cylinder. So multiply the 3. So 0.79 times 9,604 times 92, that will be 698,018.72 millimeter. Take note that the unit of the piston displacement is in cubic centimeter. So if you have millimeter, so what we're going to do now is we need to convert that into cc or centimeter. So just divide it by 1000 and your answer will be 698.01872 centimeter, and then multiply it by 8, which is the number of cylinder. That will be 5,584 cubic centimeter or 5,584 cc. Okay, so that will be the calculation. So basically, if you will translate that into a point, so that will be 5.6 liter engine. So because you have this 8, which is 5 or more than, so you need to add that one here to the 5. That will become 5.6 cc. This is another example of the calculation. Okay. In case or if the bore is equal to 84 millimeter and the stroke is 81 millimeter and the number of cylinder is 4, what will be the piston displacement? Again, based on the formula that we have, so 84 times 84, that will be 7,056 millimeter. And then again, we need to multiply the 3.79 times 7,056 times 81 millimeter times 4. Okay, so we have 451,513.44. So again, we have 3 millimeters for this. So just divide this into 1000. Then you have 451.51. Then multiply by 4 cylinder, you have 1806.04. Same thing, it is 1806.04 cc. We can say that will be a 1.8 engine liter capacity. So that will be the ends of this calculation. So thank you very much for this. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. So if you have any suggestion, any topics that want me to explain to you or to explain, so please don't forget to put your comments on the bottom part of this video. So for the next video, so I will see you. This is Wilnat saying thank you very much for watching.